is moving day.
Wow, this is the start of a new journey.
I'm so excited. The Chantel, what is happening today? We're moving into our apartment. Oh my god, it's moving day. Months and months and months of planning. Yes. And now it's finally unfolding. I can taste it. Wow. Welcome back to another exciting video. It's so lovely to meet you all. My name is Chantel and I'm your new housemate. For those of you who don't know me, I've been looking for an apartment for the past year. The rental market in Melbourne is crazy right now. I really want to make a video on what I've learned and all the mistakes I've made and what I wish I knew from the beginning. So make sure to tune in for a video like that. Subscribe to my channel. We are on our way to our real estate agent because we are officially signing the last few documents and picking up the keys. We also have another housemate, so it's going to be the three of us. She's actually on the plane right now from the UK. Her name is Lucy and we're just so excited to meet her. We haven't met her yet.
Wow, this is the start of a new journey.
This is the moment of truth. 3, 2, 1. Welcome to our home. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, look at the kitchen. It feels so good. Just like we had the inspection here, now we're here. Let the lights. Oh, and I'm gonna open the... Oh, it's beautiful. It's so gorgeous. Guys, this is our house. We're actually here. Straight to our rooms. Our brand new rooms. Here we go. This is everything I wanted. It's so light filled. And there's so much space in here. Oh wow, the light. I am in love. Am I dreaming? It's so beautiful. Wow. I just can totally see myself sitting here and reading a book. Having just like deep little chats here with a cup of tea. That is so cute. So cute. We did it. We actually did it. We are getting some cleaning products for the house. Yeah, if it's on sale, let's get it. Ew, no. This one's okay. Smell this one. Yes or no? No? Why do they all smell really bad? I know, they're very strong. This is not what a conditioner should smell like. Oh, this is like summer. Oh yes, I do know that one. I love this. It's fresh. It's fresh and feminine. Easy. How does it smell? It's just window cleaner. Unfortunately, there's not like a good thing that smells nice.
I think we need those ones too.
It's like perfume. Got the goods. Just had a call with the electricity, gas and water people. Chantel's talking to them and we're like, we really need our water. And then Chantel just flips the switch. The vacuum turned on and it was lovely. Let's do a cleaning products haul. I love that you're getting so excited over this stuff because in my mind, these are just mundane things. I love that you have like I'm so excited. It's so wholesome. Cleaning wipes, foam sponges, bin bags, toilet filters, scents, stain remover. I'm notorious for spilling food, drinks, anything on white clothing. Dish brush, Gumption multi-purpose cleaner, lemon scent. This is for like kitchen tiles, bathroom, disinfectant, dishwashing liquid, fabric conditioner, and we have some other stuff there as well, but for now, that's pretty much it. Chantel's already putting clothes up. Look at her being so productive. My car for 2.5 months, just like waiting to go to a new home, and now we have a new home for it. Let's go. Hi guys, it's been a couple of hours in the apartment. We have just been cleaning. All of my stuff is still at my house. I have boxes packed. I just need my parents to help me bring them here, so I'll do that tonight. It's like 5 p.m. right now. I don't think I actually gave you a proper house tour, so let's do it now. I'm gonna do this very quick. Entrance, kitchen, very modern. I think this has been renovated because this is kind of like an old complex. Got so much storage here. We got this hallway and that leads us to the living room. I love how light-filled and spacious it is. We've got a fireplace and we also have a balcony right here. That's going to be so nice. Just sit in the morning, journal, have breakfast. This is our dining room. I love that the living room and dining room are split up. You can either have this section open or close it if you need to study here. Entrance to the balcony. Then we've got the bathroom. So much storage, which is going to be perfect for 3 girls. Lucy's room, she's gonna land in Bali soon. Then we have Chantel's room, she just left for salsa. Mirror here, and a balcony. She's made a lot of progress. And then we've got my room, which you've seen. I want to, from now on, start good habits here. So not be on my phone too much, practice mindfulness if I'm feeling stressed, because moving is overwhelming. It's exhausting. I'm cleaning every little bit in here. I mean, there's so much to clean. This is my favorite corner. I'm just gonna have some pillows, books, and flowers. I think I'll put my bed here and a desk right here with like a vision board above. Before we even got accepted for the house, I was already mapping out how I'm going to design my room. I have such a vision for it and I can't wait to bring you along on a designing process.
More than you know, more than life,
What do you think of the place?
Amazing.
more than I'll show.
Perché
Perché
ci siamo
ci siamo
trasferiti
trasferiti
in una nuova
in una nuova
casa.
Perché sono Thank you.
I'm going the same.
We're trying to have a celebratory beer because Rowan here and his friend Steve have just carried up about 20 of my, how much would you say these weigh? At least each, like 10 to 15 kilos each. So we're
Something
trying to,
like 25.
what have we
It's
got?
been tough.
So-
First I was moving a bed, and then the bed became
Turned
like,
into-
hey, how about a few bags, right? Like, show a few bags, whatever, more the merrier.
Had to chop
And then it
my
became like,
a whole
whole house. Bottles need to be open, and mine is open because I did this at home.
But we need a bottle opener, but we don't even have cups.
There we
There we
go.
go, there we go.
Do it.
This will
I
be
think
interesting.
That looks like the perfect.
No
Nice.
way! Good!
You do
Amazing!
have a bottle opener.
Cheers! Guys, it's 12 a.m.
We're making last minute preparations for our roommate.
Yes!
Deserves to arrive and feel like instant love. We should look at it and be like, yeah,
Or should like, what is this?
these girls definitely are not artists.
This is my plane, and then I kind of improved. Anyway, we're gonna go to sleep soon, and we have to wake up at 5 a.m. to go to the airport and pick Lucy up. We were very excited. We're gonna go for brunch afterwards. So her flight got cancelled.
He's just really disappointed.
We're on our way to IKEA.
We're about to meet Lucy.
First time in Canada.